Hello. Good morning.
Yeah, so in this session, we are going to do okay. So already we created some courses. So right now I created one course. So ECE, 5th sem. Okay, I hope I need to save this. Share. షేర్ చేయాలి కదా షేర్ చేయకుండా చెప్తే సినిమా చూసినట్టు ఇట్లా అయినట్లే ఉంటుంది అనుకోండి. Okay. So previously we created one course, but no participants are there for that course. Okay, we are not giving any roles for that. So for that, so for ECE 5th sem. So here microprocessor and microcontrollers for 5th sem EC1. So for this, just click on this. Here, click on participants. Click on participants. Okay. So in this enroll users. Enroll users. Click on enroll users. Okay. So previously one thing we discussing about this thing. The second name, yes, last name. ECE 5th sem 1. Maybe EEE 5th sem 1. Maybe CSE 5th sem 1. Like that. So which section? This one. That one you need to remember from this. So search here ECE 5th sem 1. So there are a lot of members are there like that, ECE 5th sem like that. So but it shows only 5th semester students. See, only section 1 students it is showing. So now just click on that thing. So automatically they will add to your course. So how many members you want to add? So all the students from this you need to add. So this is like this you can do. But there is alternate methods also there. But they are somewhat complicated. That's why I am showing this thing. Okay. So you need to enter all this. Single student we are adding right now. So until completion. So empty. So until empty of this bottom one. Okay. Okay, done. No suggestions. So all students I added here. Okay. So what is the role of that thing? Okay, that persons. For suppose they are users. Previously they are users. We added users. First we created categories. After that we created users. After that we created a course. Now we are doing assigning the roles for that course. So the users we are doing. They are not teachers. They are student. Simply they are student. Directly select from the drop down student. Enroll user. You can now see after enrollment, see for this class, these are the enrolled students, list of students and everything. It displays like this. What is the student roll number? This is the roll number. You can take attendance and everything from this. Teacher will take care. You don't bother about this thing. So up to this thing only you are going to design. So once this is done, that is the remaining task is for a teacher only. Okay. So for this, I want to give one enrollment. That is nothing but teacher. I want to give teacher. So Gopal Sharma sir is telling for both sections. That's why I am giving teacher as a Gopal Sharma sir. Okay, Gopala Sharma. Okay. Because I have my timetable with me. So depends upon that timetable, I am assigning this thing. who is the subject teacher, like that. So just I assign this thing. He is not a student, teacher. Enroll user. That's it. So now if you go to your main board, that is Stanley, site home, ECE, 5th sem. See, teacher is A. Gopal Sharma. Previously it is not there. Now it is came. A. Gopal Sharma, and number of, if you click on this thing, so if you go to participants, you can see all this. Okay. So this is only your role up to this. Up to this is your role. So if you have more number of sections, this is somewhat difficult. If you have only one section, that is okay. But if you have one section also, 18 subjects you need to create. If you have 3 sections.
So we have to create subject wise.
Yeah, you need to create subject wise.
Oh, achha.
Yes, subject wise.
So
subject
it will
wise.
consume time.
Yeah, and
right.
you need to create 6 subjects and labs, and yeah, all these things.
Okay.
Yeah. For suppose now if I want to create one more subject for that section, that is easy. Now we are already prepared everything. Now one more section creation is very easy. See, one more class. For suppose 5th sem only. For suppose I want to create one more class. Go to this side and we see, and 5th sem. Add new course. Simply you click add new course. So microcontrollers and microprocessors, directly I can type, and I can give the short name and the category. This is all thing, disable it. So this all thing is same. So after completion of this thing, just enroll the students and a teacher. Who is the teacher? You can enroll. Okay. So that is also possible. And one more option is also there, but maybe you are going to solve that thing to do number of times this thing. So that is not working. That's why I am not showing that thing. Okay.
So each section, that many subjects
Yeah.
should be added.
Yeah. So that is done. So up to this, you may be understood, I hope. Okay. So this is the best way what you are maintaining. These many admins are not possible. After completion of one time, only one admin is there. Maybe Gopal Sharma sir is the only one admin. Okay. Your role you are going to change. So as an admin, you need to know these things. For suppose I am the admin right now. So student also same thing. If I join as a student also same thing is there. So now I am the admin and the student, the teacher. See, my 2 courses are visible here. So EC2 and EC1. Okay. So these 2 courses are there. ES2, ES1 are my courses. So like that you got your courses to your dashboard. Okay, as a teacher if you join. But now I am joining as a admin because 8 members of admins are there. So that's why these all are showing. So otherwise only your course is going to show. That's it. Don't bother about, or suppose student join, he shows only his course. That's it. Okay, he assigned to certain course, he is able to see that course only. Okay, like that it is visible. Now, if you want to change anything, profile, you can change your password or something. So you can do from this. So edit profile directly. Yeah. So if I want to change my username and if I want to change my password or something, so you can change any picture if you want to put a picture here. So like that. Student, ask the student, don't change these things. They can change their picture, they can change their main email ID, but they don't change. They need not to change username and first name, last name, because as per our requirement we are putting that names. Yes, previously we discussed that thing. Or suppose one course I want to show here. Embedded system for 5th sem. So this is my course. If I want to see my participants here, so see, I can easily recognize which student like that. I can easily recognize if roll number is there. Otherwise, what happened? It is somewhat difficult to understand with their name. So that's why they need not to change anything except email ID and password. If they required, they can show their picture and everything. That is their problem. But you don't tell them change your roll number, change something like that, you don't tell. Okay. This is the first thing. Our setup is completed. Now we are going to discuss about our main thing. What do you want to do? So first create all the row list and upload and create your courses. At least one course for each section you do, because exams are there. Yes. So from 27th onwards we have exams. So for that exams it is required. So this one only you are going to use. So that is main task. So for suppose now I will show how to conduct an exam CSC for fifth third sem. There are three sections are there. Okay, this madam is going to conduct exam. So simply add a new course. Add a new course. So users are not uploaded. That's why I want to show from EC. Okay, from EC. This example I will show from EC. That is best. Okay, for EC, third sem, 140 students are there. There are three sections: digital electronics section 3, digital electronics section 2, digital electronics section 1. So like this, we have 3-4 sections. There is a lot of problem. So that's why I want to add a new course. For this new course, full course name, internal exams. That is the best, I think. But there is a problem with this thing also. That is nothing but you need to give all the credentials to your teacher. Because every teacher, you need to add every teacher to here. So, and every teacher can access the student what they wrote in their exam and everything. So that's why you need to take care about this thing. Okay, that facility is also there. If you don't have any problem with your teachers, so they are not going to interact with other students and everything. If such type of problems are not there, you can directly create internal exams here. So add all our 140 students, add our all subject teachers. At that instant, no problem. Directly you can give exam by exam. Okay. So that is, yeah, as like a binder. Okay. So that is one option is there. So otherwise, same method. Method is same. Simply you go to this thing. So third sem, I need to conduct exam for this sem. Third sem. For suppose it depends upon the timetable you need to create. So how to create that one? Maybe if I discuss all the things at this moment, maybe it is consumed. But just I will show one tip here. Turn editing on. Okay. Add an activity or course. Add an activity or course. That is the activity we are doing. So if you want a descriptive exam, assignment is the best one. If you want to conduct a descriptive exam, assignment is the best one. So simply click on assignment. You have a lot of options there, but in that assignment I am selecting assignment name. For suppose DE exam. That is only my assignment. DE first internal. Internal 1. This is my first thing. Then after that, timings, rules and regulations. What you want to tell, you tell here. So display on the thing. So exam starts at some date. Date for suppose 27th 9 2020. Time 10 to 11. Okay, 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. So such information we can give here. So this is what first thing. Okay. So what you want to tell? Anything you can tell, or otherwise make a PDF and a lot of instructions are there as an examiner. So you can give all the instructions what you have. Okay. So display on the course. But here the thing, question paper. It is in the form of PDF. It is in the form of PDF. Directly upload PDF, or so for suppose this is the question paper. Maybe I already uploaded this thing. If you don't have uploaded thing also, drag and drop is there. Drag and drop this thing. So yeah, select this. So this is the question paper, maybe assume. So allow submission from which time they need to submit. So maybe on 27, Yeah, time 10, and when it is going to end on 27th only. Yeah, here 11 o'clock, maybe 1 hour, or depends upon your question paper time. Okay, so this enable. You need to enable both of them. Next, remind me to grade by. Teacher ki reminder allal kada. So they need to grade and submit the questions 30th. So within 3 days they appudu kuda cheyochu, but within 3 days it is better. So enable. So like this you can do. And here number of maximum upload files only one. లేకపోతే ఇక్కడ మనం పిక్చర్ వేస్తుంది దిద్దేవాడికి కూడా only one file they need to submit for all. Yeah, only PDF. And here you can give 50 MB more. 50 MB కన్నా పెద్ద ఫైల్ అయితే బెటర్ ఏ స్టూడెంట్ కూడా. And dot PDF, here we are restricting the student to only PDF. Dot PDF, accept file type dot PDF. It is not an online test. If you have that facility also, you can. Your teacher need to give all the keywords and everything. అవి మ్యాచ్ చేసుకొని ఆటోమేటిక్ గ్రేడింగ్ చేసి మార్క్స్ ఇస్తుంది. అంత డెవలప్ కాలేదు కదా మనం. ఓకే సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ థింగ్. అండ్ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ టైప్ అంటే సబ్మిషన్ ఏమన్నా మీరు సబ్మిట్ చేశారు అట్లా ఏమన్నా చెప్పాలంటే చెప్పొచ్చు, లేకపోతే అవసరం లేదు. సబ్మిషన్ సెట్టింగ్, okay, require student to click on submission button, yes, otherwise accidentally they can submit, yes, it is required, yes. Require the student to accept the submission statement, no. Next, attempts respond, no need to respond. So group submission is not there, and grading and everything. So grade, how many marks for your exam? Descriptive, maybe 20 marks. So suppose you have 50 marks, you can give, otherwise 20 for descriptive, otherwise 10 marks. Depends upon your requirement, you can give that thing. Next, that's it. Common module settings, so on course space. So this is hide from students, because once you are putting on site, it is visible to everyone. Same thing in binder also, yes. At that moment only you need to reveal the paper. Okay, for that hide from students. So simple, and save and display. Okay, this is the thing. We are able to see as a teacher and as an admin, we are able to see, but students are unable to see. Number of participants 45. So nobody is, because the 10 days remaining time is there. So time also displays for student also at the time of examination. So, but what is the requirement is, here one drawback is there. At that moment, 27th 10 AM, you need to go to here and edit settings, reveal that paper. That is the main thing. Okay. Yeah, common module settings. Here we need to reveal. Show on the course and save and display. Okay, this is what you want to do on that instant. Okay, be ready. All students are able to see on the course. For suppose now we will go to course. Student also able to see like this only. So site home, ECE, third sem. Student is only able to see third sem, that's it. They don't bother about all this CSC, EC and everything, they are unable to see. So yeah, digital
Paper net common. How the students can view that?
Yeah, because they know only this course, that's it. So in that it is showing our name, yes, DE internal one. Like this they can see, that's it. So start, okay, exam starts at 27th and this thing. If they click also, they are unable to see, because only on that day they will visible, it is visible for them. So directly they can download this thing, and after completion of that thing they can submit. That submission option is there for them, automatically they will submit. So this is the first thing. Then how we are going to evaluate? So for that, so this is a new site, because already I am using from starting of this semester. So I will show that thing, how to evaluate and everything. That is how much easy.
afternoon where meeting లో మాట్లాడుతున్నాను. రాదు నాకు రాదు నెట్ రాదు. కిందకెళ్ళి కింద రాదు కింద పెన్ డ్రైవ్ లో కాపీ చేసుకుంటాను.
Okay, this is the course.
పెన్ డ్రైవ్ లో కాపీ చేసుకుంటాను.
Only I am the teacher, I am the admin, and I am everything for this because this is my own. I created my own, so this is not related. But I will show what happened at that moment. So I am teaching for these all students. As a teacher, I am showing here. Okay, so only spoken tutorial is there. Embedded system is there for me. So in this embedded system, like this is my syllabus copy. First unit notes, unit 1 notes, ES textbooks, any textbooks, online textbooks and everything. So assignment 1, I already graded this assignment also. So these many members. Actually, these many students are not there for me. Only 114 are there. Out of 114, 104 submitted. I already graded them. So if you want to see marks also, you can. Yeah. So here, this 5 marks I already given. Assignment 1, assignment 2. Like this, it is visible. If you want to see anything, so as like university correction, university paper correction, it is visible. Depends upon your net speed. You need not to download as like binder. In binder, what you want to do, you need to download everything and you need to correct. But here it is not required. Directly pen and everything are there. You can correct. And if you want to tell anything to students, you can tell directly individual students. If you want to talk something, so you wrote this question wrong or something, some feedback if you want to give, you can give. And directly you can give marks. So this Excel later you can download. That is as a teacher, this is very, very easy. But some first as an admin, you have some complications. So
ask us to put it in some place.
yeah, but already this is a server. You purchased the server. No need. No need of downloading these all things. So directly you can call a server. Because we paid to Moodle right now. That's why you need 1 year it is there. Yeah. So that's it. Like that you can do anything. Okay. So after completion you can click and do this thing. But next one, this is a descriptive. Okay. But what about bit paper? Once again site home. So ECE and third sem. But you need to do for 3 sections. That is what is the problem. If teacher can do, it is very, very easy. As an admin, you need to do for 3 sections. So that's why you need to do collect all the papers and first only do on that exam day, just to go to that section and reveal the paper. That's it. So now, once again, I want to create one more.
Exams bit paper ఉందా సార్?
లేదా? చేసుకుంటున్నాం బట్ ఉందని I don't know. I don't know. So here add an activity. Direct quiz తీసుకుంటాం ఇక్కడ అంతే. Quiz. Not an assignment. Quiz. So in this is very, very easy. Automatically it will correct. Automatically it will give the grading and everything. That is here.
But quiz is not included in the examination part. We can
Yeah. Okay. So here general, some name, what is the unit 3 quiz. Something you can create here, and a description what you want to tell, all multiple choice or something. So this is very, very easy. You need not to reveal, you need not to do anything. Automatically it will do. So on that date, enable. So maybe tomorrow I want to conduct quiz. So at 12 o'clock, 12:05 it starts, and tomorrow only I will end at 12:10 or 12:15. 12:15, 10 minutes, within 10 minutes I will, and time limit only if you want you can. Time limit 10 minutes. Next grade, automatic grading system. I want to, how many marks you are going to set for your goal. Okay, that also. Layout. Okay, every question or all questions, how many questions are there at a time they will display. Okay, so not single question. question behavior. Okay, shuffle. Yes, shuffle in shuffle order they come. So these are all things here, except to that thing you do these are. After submission, these are required. After submission, so immediately after attempt, not required. Okay, after submission only. Later, while the quiz is still open. Okay, this thing. Okay, otherwise you select immediately after attempt. That's it. After attempt only, if you show, that is somewhat different. That's why you need to select all this. Later, after completion of the quiz, they will get all the description, what you want to tell. So feedback of your quiz, the answer, and everything. Okay, appearance, how it is. Images are there. Images also appear. So safe exam browser, we are not adding this thing. And this means what? Simply, student is going to copy something, so some other site. So exam browser from Google Chrome, if they search something, automatically it will track from their mail ID. So that option we are not using, but maximum people are doing this thing also. So extra restrictions, any restrictions are there? So that one you will. And common module settings, show on course page. Yes, show on course page, no problem, because it starts at that time only, because it is a quiz. Next, restrict activity completion. That's it. Save and display. Once if you save and display, see here the quiz will be available until Saturday, until October 12:05 p.m. So the quiz will close on like this. So student is also able to see like this only. But here edit quiz, because we are not added any questions right now. Add a new question. Here multiple choice question. So add. So the question, what is the question? Question, for suppose if you have any category number, unit 3, first question like that you can give. So the category is default for DE3, because third section, D. So otherwise, if you give this thing, any default, here for suppose default for EC, if you select, you can. Or default for third sem, yes, that is the best thing. Because for all sections you can save this thing. So this is default for third sem. Here, question name. So you can give question name Q1, maybe. That is your choice. Question. What is the question? Directly type what is meant by gate. Sorry, something. You can type some question here. So after that, default marks. For suppose your question is descriptive, you can give 5 marks. If your question is very complicated, you can give 1 mark, 2 marks, like that. Depends upon your question. Yeah. మీరు చెప్పాలి కదా అలాగే మీరు అందరికీ ఇచ్చేయాలి కదా అది కదా అదే మీరు ఈజీగా అర్థం చేసుకుంటారు మీకు పట్టుబడి చెప్పేస్తున్నా మీరు ఎట్లా చెప్తే వాళ్ళకి ఏం తెలియదు ఇంకా ఐడి నెంబర్ is not required. One multiple answer. Yeah, one answer only. ఒకళ్ళు 2-3 ఇస్తే మీ ఇష్టం. ఇక ఆన్సర్స్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఆన్సర్, ఫస్ట్ ఆన్సర్ చాయిస్ 1, చాయిస్ 2, చాయిస్ 3. అది ఎందుకు తప్పో కూడా చెప్పొచ్చు. ఇక అట్లా ఇచ్చేసి అన్ని ఎన్ని ఆప్షన్లు ఉంటే అన్ని ఇవ్వాలి. జస్ట్ బ్లాంక్ అంతే. సేవ్, కంటిన్యూ. సో ఆఫ్టర్ సేవ్ అండ్ కంటిన్యూ, ఇక్కడ ఏమి ఇవ్వలేదు కాబట్టి తీసుకోవట్లేదు చాయిస్ ఏదో. ఓకే, సో చాయిస్ 2 సంథింగ్, చాయిస్ 4 సరే. ఇస్తాం, అది కూడా ఇస్తాం. ఓకే, సో గ్రేడ్ దీనికి అది పెడితే అంత ఎన్ని మార్కులు ఇవ్వచ్చు అట్లా. ఓకే, సో స్టాండర్డ్ ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ ఏమైనా ఉంటాయి. నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ చాయిసెస్ ఏబిసి ఇట్లా రావాలా, 1 2 3 రావాలా కూడా చాలా తీసుకోవచ్చు. యా, సో ఐడి నెంబర్, 1 ఆన్సర్ ఉంది. ఇక్కడ ఆన్సర్ కూడా ఇవ్వచ్చు. డన్. ఆ క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చేసింది మనకి. ఆ క్వశ్చన్ ఒక్కసారి వచ్చిన తర్వాత జస్ట్ గో టు క్వశ్చన్ బ్యాంక్ యాడ్ చేసుకుంటాం, మనం క్విజ్కి యాడ్ చేస్తాం అట్లా అంతే. ఓకే, లైక్ దిస్ యూ కెన్ డూ ఎనీ. ఇంతవరకు చేయండి. ఫస్ట్ అయితే కోర్స్ క్రియేట్ చేయడం, అట్ ద సేమ్ టైం డిస్క్రిప్టివ్ ఎగ్జామ్ పెట్టడానికి అసైన్మెంట్ ఇవ్వడం, మీ స్టూడెంట్స్ అందరినీ ఒకసారి ట్రై చేసుకొని చూడమని. దట్స్ ఇట్. థ్యాంక్ యూ. పెడతాను మేడం.
గ్రూప్ క్రియేట్ చేద్దాం మనము. whoever is
ఒక్క నిమిషం.